Venmo error code 310 means you're unable to sign in. It's an authentication failure, indicating Venmo can't validate your login credentials. This isn't usually a widespread outage, but an issue specific to your account or device. We will show you how to fix this. Corrupted cache or data can prevent Venmo from authenticating. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Venmo, tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Note that clearing data will require you to log back in. iOS users can try offloading the app in Settings. VPNs or proxies can interfere with Venmo's connection by routing your traffic through additional servers. This change in network path can trigger error code 310, as Venmo's authentication system may not recognize or validate the altered connection. To resolve this, temporarily disable your VPN or proxy. On most devices, access your network settings, find the VPN or proxy option, and turn it off. Then attempt to sign into Venmo. If the sign-in works, you'll know the VPN or proxy was causing the interference. After testing, remember to re-enable your VPN or proxy for security. If error 310 persists after disabling, try other solutions. When contacting Venmo support about error code 310, providing specific information helps them resolve your issue more quickly. Include your username so support can locate your account easily. Next, include the specific error message, which is error code 310, along with the date and time it occurred. This gives support a timeline and exact details of the problem. Also mention the type of device you're using, such as iPhone or Android, as this can point to device-specific issues. Finally, list the troubleshooting steps you've already tried to avoid repeating the same suggestions. Providing this information up front ensures Venmo support can diagnose and fix your error code 310 issue efficiently, getting you back to using the app sooner. Looking ahead to the future of Venmo security, significant advancements are planned. By 2027, Venmo will integrate AI-driven anomaly detection systems. This technology will proactively identify and resolve potential sign-in errors before they disrupt users, enhancing security and user experience. Additionally, biometric authentication methods, such as Face ID, are becoming increasingly prevalent. These advanced login options eliminate the need for traditional passwords and security codes, offering both enhanced security and greater convenience for users accessing their Venmo accounts. Venmo's statistics reveal the scale and manageability of error code 310. The app serves 80 million active users worldwide, making it a major player in mobile payments. Despite its popularity, error 310 complaints make up only 0.5% of all App Store reviews, indicating that most users have positive experiences with the platform. Most importantly, Venmo's support metrics show that 95% of error 310 cases are resolved by users themselves within just 10 minutes, using basic troubleshooting steps. This highlights the app's user-friendly design and effective self-help resources. Error code 310 can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you can usually resolve the issue and regain access to your Venmo account. Stay vigilant about security and keep your app updated to prevent future problems. Thanks for watching.